from the bus. Nice to meet you.
Good morning, online people, and welcome back to my channel. So I am in a really bad mood today because yesterday I was telling you in a video that we will go back and we will explore the area a little bit around Munnar, but I have another task today because I lost my SD card yesterday while flying the drone at the last stop, and I have to find it. Yeah, that's a task for today. We will ride back, search for the SD card. Okay, let's go find it together. I hope I will find it. Let's go. Okay. Okay, there we go. 40 kilometers riding back. I cannot believe that really happened. And even yesterday they told me they don't have hot water because of the gas crisis here, like no hot water to shower. So I was standing under the ice cold shower and I thought, yep, that's my punishment. That's my punishment for losing the SD card. Because I know that I put the SD card on the tank and I was just riding without taking the SD card. We will ride back, try to enjoy the landscape because it's super beautiful here, and then go back to the hostel. And either way, if I find the SD card or if I won't find the SD card, I will get drunk today. This is the plan. My goodness, okay? Let's see what will happen. And my Filipino followers, they already know that I'm pretty unlucky with technical things. Like in the Philippines, I lost my GoPro, for example, with my footage as well one time. Then I was super unlucky with SD cards that my footage got corrupted and things like that. I don't know what universe wants to tell me, if I should stop making YouTube or whatever. I don't know. But obviously I don't learn out of it, obviously. Back at the highway. One good thing about my ride today is that I can see the exact same ride from yesterday, just from the other side. Stay positive, right? Stay positive. Wow, yeah, it's crazy beautiful here. Okay, my mood is getting a little bit better. He wanted to take a picture. But no, not today. I'm really not in a mood for pictures today. If I'm there searching for my SD card and people ask me for pictures, I will tell them, yes, search with me for 10 minutes and then you get a picture. Crazy road. Actually pretty nice that I'm riding that road again. this mountain, and then I think it's somewhere there. Wow, it's like searching for a needle. All right, lost it. Maybe I have a little bit hope left and I will find it somehow on the road, but no, I don't think so. The chances are pretty low that I will find the SD card on the road, right? Even less than walking and searching for it. Okay, no SD cards, no SD cards. Bye bye, bye bye, memory card with all the footage. I really want to cry right now. I really want to cry. I don't have a solution for that now. Alright, whoever finds the memory card, keep it, delete everything and sell it. Or send it to me if you want to. My goodness. I don't even think that something ever in my life happened that bad as now. I cannot think of anything worse. I don't know, should I stop doing YouTube vlogs? Man. Oof. Actually, today's plan was to roam around, explore the beautiful places in Munnar, but I don't want to. I just want to crawl in the bed in my hostel and cry for the rest of the day until I find a solution. Getting nervous a little bit now. Got a little bit more motivation now. Stay positive, right? Stay positive. Look at this dream location. Look at this beautiful road, huh? Recording me from the bus, that's pretty funny. What a view, what a view, what a view. Okay, my motivation is back. I think I keep vlogging because I don't know what to do, and then I don't know. I will skip the parts I was already riding and start from where I have footage left, right? Whew, yeah, but I lost a lot. I lost a lot of videos, and actually pretty good videos. Okay, stop thinking about that. Just stay in the moment and enjoy the ride, Lucy. That happens when I want to take pictures of my bike. Waiting for pictures with me.
Hi. Okay.
Thank you. But I had a really bad day, so you made my day right now. Thank you for that.
How many subscribers now?
I just started.
Okay, so what is your plan?
Going to the southernmost point of India. Yeah.
You know Kodaikanal?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know. I plan every day.
How is it our India?
Amazing. Really cool. I love it. I love it.
We are
Twins.
twin brothers. Twin brothers.
Really?
Yeah.
You have to stand next to each other. So I can tell. Wow, how cool is that? I always wanted a twin sister.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you guys. Thank you for the pictures.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
What's
meet
your
you.
name?
Lucy.
Lucy. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you as well. Wow. Wow. And there we go, having another view from the other side. Mountain range view. What a view. Look at this road. Goes like this and like this. You see that? I love this. I absolutely love this. You probably missed it because I lost my footage, but absolutely love this little stick. It got a real bad reputation. I gotta keep my head up in this shitty situation. Feel like getting up. I got a real bad reputation. arrived in a hostel, and even though it was a super beautiful landscape, I couldn't enjoy it that much for a reason you already know. So yeah, I just have to figure out I will continue right now, and how I will actually start to post without the footage. But yeah, that's on me. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.